Good morning everyone.
I am Ridham Patel.
And I am Divyanshi Sisodia from class 7th B. Today we are going to tell you one word substitution. First, animals which live both on land and in water. Animals which live both on land and in water.
The answer is amphibian.
Second, a medicine which makes the effect of poison zero. A medicine which makes the effect of poison zero.
The answer is antidote.
Third, one who deals in flowers. One who deals in flowers.
The answer is florist.
Fourth, one who teaches dancing. One who teaches dancing.
The answer is choreographer.
Fifth, one who is skilled in foreign languages. One who is skilled in foreign languages.
The answer is linguist.
Sixth, one who compiles a dictionary. One who compiles a dictionary.
The answer is lexicographer.
Seventh, a place where money is made. A place where money is made.
The answer is mint.
Eighth, one who present everywhere. One who present everywhere.
The answer is omnipresent.
Ninth, one who knows everything. One who knows everything.
The answer is omniscient.
Tenth, a single cure for all diseases. A single cure for all diseases.
The answer is panacea.
Thank you.